This lesson is on distributing a negative. On number 1 here, n plus 2 in parentheses, we need to understand that there is a 1 understood to be outside of parentheses, which really doesn't matter because if I distribute this 1, 1 times n is 1n and 1 times 2 is 2. No big deal, nothing changed. But if we run into one like number 2, where we have a negative outside, now it matters. I have to actually distribute this negative to the 2 terms in parentheses because there's understood to be a negative 1 there. And negative 1 times n is negative 1n, most simply written negative n. And negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Now, I didn't need to do this. I didn't need to do this. When we see this problem, we go straight from here to the answer. Negative 1 times n is negative n. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. On number 3, I have an algebraic expression. I can't do what's in parentheses. I need to distribute this negative. So negative 1 times n is negative n. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Bring down this 5. Now I have like terms, 5 and negative 2, or 5 minus 2 is 3. And we always write our answer in descending order of exponent, and we end with our constant. So here's the correct way to do it, negative n plus 3. One more, and here's actually an equation. If you'd like to pause the video and try it on your own before you watch my explanation, you can. But having the equation, some people like to draw the line, some people don't, does not matter. Can't do what's in parentheses. I'm going to distribute my negative. Negative distributed to 2n is negative 2n, or negative 1 times 2 is negative 2n. And then negative 1 times negative 4, same sign, positive 4. I have distributed my negative. I'm going to bring down this constant of negative 2. And on the other side of the equal sign, I'm going to bring down my constant of 8. Now, simplifying this expression involves distributive property and combining like terms. I've done distributive property. Now I need to look, can I combine like terms? And I can. Negative 2, positive 4 combined. So I'm going to bring down this negative 2n. Negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. Now the left side is in simplest form. It's only in simplest form when there's no distributive property, which means no parentheses, and no like terms. Once I have it in simplest form, I'm ready to solve the equation. To get rid of plus 2, we minus 2. That leaves us with negative 2n on the left and 6 on the right. Then to get rid of times negative 2, we divide by negative 2, which gives us negative 3. And that is our video on distributing a negative. Thank you.